All right, so question number 46 on the 2014 Math 7 SOL question is a multiple choice one, and it reads, a spinner was with sections labeled W, X, Y, and Z, and the faces of a number cube are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, or a die labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's asking us what is the total number of possible outcomes of one spin on that spinner and one roll on that die. Well, let's see. On the spinner, since there are four sections, because there's a W section, an X section, a Y, and a Z section, there are four possible outcomes, right? And the number cube, the die, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 sides to it. So the possible number of outcomes on that would be 6 different outcomes. You could roll a 1, you could roll a 2, you could roll a 3, so on and so forth. And to find what the total number of possible outcomes of doing each of those things together would mean we'd have to multiply those two possible outcomes together, giving us a total of 24 outcomes. We could create like a tree out of this. We could say, well, we could roll a W. I'm sorry, we could spin a W, and then we could also roll a 1. We could spin a W, and we could roll a 2. We could spin a W and roll a 3. We could spin a W and roll a 4, or roll a 5, or roll a 6. Or instead of W, we could spin an X and roll a 1, or spin an X and roll a 2, or spin an and yada, yada, yada. It's much faster, though, if we just recognize that we have 4 sections on the spinner and 6 sides on the die, and the multiple of those two gives us the 24 total possible combinations of outcomes. C is our answer. Make sure you just pay attention to how many different sections in the spinner and sides on the cube, and I feel like this problem will be a piece of cake for you. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.